Hi everyone, in this video I will show how you can fix app not installed problem on Infinix Hot 50i. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.